Now we're going to talk about how to form comparatives in Turkish. So phrases like a faster car or a more beautiful car. Let's look at how we'll form them. Let's say we want to say the car is fast. We would start with the Turkish word for car, araba, and then the adjective meaning fast, hızlı. The car is fast. Let's say we want to say the car is faster. What we're going to do is we're going to add the Turkish word meaning more, daha. So, the car is fast. Araba daha hızlı. The car is more fast. The car is faster. Another example, we want to say the car is more beautiful. We would say araba daha more güzel. Beautiful. So the car is faster, the car is beautiful. We're using daha. Let's say we want to specify what the car is more beautiful than. The element we're comparing the car to is going to be put into the ablative case. So for example, let's say we want to say the car is more beautiful than the train. Start with araba. Then we'll use the Turkish word for train in the ablative case. So tren, trenden, because it's ablative. Araba, trenden daha güzel. So the car is more beautiful than, in the ablative, the train. We can also use this construction with pronouns or with proper nouns. Like for example, if we want to say Istanbul is more crowded than New York, start with Istanbul. New York. What case are we going to put it in? Ablative, like here, New York, tan. Daha, more, and then the word for the adjective meaning crowded, kalabalık. Istanbul, New York, tan daha kalabalık. Istanbul is more crowded than New York. We can also use daha, the Turkish word for more, to form comparatives with adjectives that are being used as adverbs. Let me show you. For example, if we want to say, you know Russian better than I do, we would start with the word for you, sen, you singular informal, sen, benden, so than me, daha, more, iyi, Turkish word meaning good, so daha iyi means better. Rusça, the Turkish word for the Russian language. And then finally the verb. Biliyorsun. You know. So, sen benden daha iyi Rusça biliyorsun. You know Russian, the Russian language, more well, better, than, in the ablative, I do. We can also use daha to form comparatives with the Turkish words az, meaning a little or a little bit, and çok, meaning much or a lot. So for example, if we want to say, you know less Russian than I do, we can say sen benden daha az Rusça biliyorsun. You know less, daha az, Russian than I do. We can do exactly the same thing with çok. So plug it in. Sen benden daha çok Rusça biliyorsun. You know more, daha çok Russian than I do.